See you another once in Khmer. And many ways to speak in English. You see here.ត្រូវចេះទុកដាក់ត្រៀមគ្រាលំបាកត្រូវចេះទុកដាក់ត្រៀមគ្រាលំបាក In English as normal we say save money for a rainy day. Save money for a rainy day. And there are many ways to speak in English, such as save for the future, keep some money aside, be prepared for hard times, and spend everything, plan your finances, save before you spend, and the last one is be financially careful. Be financially careful.